Jamaican citizens enjoy a set of fundamental rights that form the cornerstone of our democratic society. These rights include freedom of expression, equality under the law, access to education, freedom of religion, and the right to vote in free and fair elections. Upheld by the Constitution, these rights ensure that every individual is treated fairly, has the opportunity to express themselves freely, and actively participates in shaping the nation's future. All Jamaicans is endowed by law with these rights. 1. Freedom of expression. Citizens enjoy the right to express opinions freely without fear of government censorship. This includes freedom of speech, press, assembly, and association, allowing for open discourse and peaceful protests. 2. Equality. All citizens are entitled to equal treatment under the law, regardless of background, race, gender, religion, or socioeconomic status. Discrimination is prohibited, ensuring equitable access to resources and opportunities. 3. Education. Every Jamaican has the right to education, provided through public schools up to the secondary level. Education fosters personal development, literacy, critical thinking, and prepares individuals for societal and workforce engagement. 4. Freedom of religion. Citizens have the liberty to practice any religion or none at all, protected from religious discrimination. The government remains neutral on religious matters, allowing individuals to worship freely without state interference. 5. Right to vote. Voting is a cornerstone of democracy, empowering citizens to participate in governance by electing representatives. Citizens aged 18 and above can vote in free and fair elections, influencing decision-making and holding elected officials accountable.